Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix common issue when your USB pen drive does not show eject option after you right click on it. Okay, so I will show you. I have connected one USB pen drive as you can see guys in my screen, SanDisk. Okay, so when I'm trying to eject it, so the right click option is not working, eject option is not showing. So same problem if you are facing, so this video is only for you. Watch this video till and very carefully. I am going to show you few easy and simple working step solution to solve this problem. First guys, when you inserting USB pen drive in the task manager, here you can get your USB icon, right click on it and then it will show you the eject pen drive option, but the option is not showing here. At that time you can try the next method. Now you need to open this PC file explorer on your PC laptop and right click on your USB pen drive like this, and here you can get the option eject. Okay, if the taskbar option is not working, you can use this method, and this method is also not working. Open the USB pen drive on your PC like this. After opening the pen drive, in the toolbar menu here you can get the option eject as you can see guys. So this option is only available on latest Windows 11 PC. You can also try the next method as well. Press Windows key button and then press X. It will open the power menu. From here you need to open the device manager. In the device manager guys, you need to expand disk drives like this, and here you need to find out your USB drive name. Just right click on it and here you can get the option disable device. Just disable it. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can physically remove your USB pen drive safely. Okay, if the problem is not working, you can try the next method as well. So right click on your start button and from here you need to open the disk management. Okay, and find out your USB drive. So first I will see my drive letter of my USB drive. The drive letter is G. So just need to find out your USB drive from here. So SanDisk is here. Right click on it, go to properties, and here you need to find out policies tab, and if the tab is showing, just open it and here you can get the option remove to default or restore to default. Just need to select it. This ensure that you can safely unplug your pen drive anytime without needing the eject option. Okay, and then close this. If this method is not working on your PC, you can try the next method as well. Hold the Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard. It will open the run box, and here you need to type disk part. Okay, and then hit enter from your keyboard, and here you need to type list value and then hit enter from your keyboard. It will show you all available drive letters. From here you need to find out your USB drive, so just type list value and then hit enter. Okay, now here you need to type remove volume and then you need to enter your USB drive letter. So my USB drive letter is G, so just type G, then hit enter from your keyboard. This command will safely eject your USB pen drive through Windows. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method to safely eject the USB pen drive on your Windows PC. So any of the method option will definitely work with you. Okay, if you like our video, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Catch you in the next one. Thank you.